Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chichi the Dawn. Chichi the Dawn. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I just got the iPhone 12 because my phone is broken. My home button isn't working, so I needed a new phone. So this is what the box looks like once I got it out of the bag. I got that green, John. My favorite color. I got the green iPhone 12. So when you open the box, there's the phone. I'm gonna leave that on there. There's the phone. This bad boy. Oh my god, I'm excited. I haven't upgraded my phone since like 2017, so I'm excited. And then there's a charger on the inside. Do these still go with headphones? No, they y'all. Yup, they said y'all. What the hell is that? Okay, so yeah, this is the charger. So wait. The charger, and it has a new little updated USB thing. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see it? Hopefully, because I'm kind of far away. Get into it. Get into it. We could do it. Y'all see how that just slid off? Look at this. Okay, I'm excited because now. I'm excited now. It's coming on. But I'm so mad I did not get a wall plug. That is a scam. That is a scam. Bonjour. Buongiorno. Swipe up, ho. It's gonna take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. That's fine with me. Table's too close, can't cross my legs. So I just set up my Face ID. That's the one. That's all I be telling Siri. Hey Siri, play some Lil Baby. Oh, they don't make small phones no more. They said we only do a big. Max. That's crazy. This is the 7 Max. Put them down. Okay. Jesus. Yeah, this one's a little bit lighter. Look at the body on her. Cause baby, can't nobody tell me I'm not a bad